Have you ever opened your car after leaving it in the summer sun and gone, whoa, how can I drive now? The heat, the burning hot seats, the untouchable steering wheel. And not only that, the sun damages the dashboard. And good luck turning the AC to the max. Cracking sounds from the window, have you heard them? Another damage to your car. But no more. Autoamerics one-piece windshield sunshade is the most effective way to stop it all, for any car. This innovative sunshade is super easy to install. Simply take it out of the case, open it, and put over the window with the silver side facing out, and then fixate it. This unique design fully covers the windshield, leaving no gaps. As a US company, we take our promises seriously. The premium quality heat reduction materials will immediately keep your car cooler. Now look from the outside. The improved reflective silver material blocks the sun totally, and the design looks amazing. And folding takes seconds. Let me show you how. After taking it out from the car, you fold it, hold it from opposite sides, and twist it like this. And then hold it together with the elastic strap and put it in the complementary bag. You see, it takes up so little space you can easily keep it anywhere. Learn more about Autoamerics one-piece windshield sunshades today and save yourself and your car from the scorching sun and heat. We've got you covered. Autoamerics.